These bees, so we got different varieties. So you'll notice like some of the bees you'll see today are darker than these. Some are smaller, some are larger. There's like go ahead and take one out.
All right.
Take one out. I'll open this next side too. All right.
I only get stung when I stand in front.
Yeah, that's true. That's okay. Come around to the back, Andy. Bryce, you always work around the back.
I just took one on the knee, you know.
Yeah. See that. So you got to think of this box is like a runway, okay? And in the front, that's their runway.
Taking off.
So they're going to be and they're going to be coming in too. And so if you're in their way,
they're not gonna like that.
They're drawing the heck out of this. We got syrup. We got a nectar flow. We must have one.
I'll tell you, those soybeans, dude.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so now, and I'm looking at the same time.
There's white specks on this side.
That's good. That's a good. That means we've got a queen. Inside the cell, you're seeing white specks. Blow on that right there. Get me a little closer. They're working on the comb. Look at that. They're handy. Come here for a second. Check this out. Look how they're all working on this comb right here, and they're refusing to move when we blow on them. Blow on them. They're really into their work today, man.
To grow, baby.
I guess that's where the term busy bee comes from. That's the first time I've seen that busy bee situation. All right, let's take this off over here. I'm gonna set the cover up because it's a little weaker, but how heavy is it?
Moderate, not really.
Okay, cool.
Not as heavy as over there.
Where do you live at?
Or other side 9 in Waterview.
So you're close.
Yeah.
So you could legitimately help do this if you wanted to, as much as you want. That's awesome then. You know, if Andy doesn't want you here, you're welcome as my guest anytime. So. Well, if we're talking bees, anybody's welcome. All right, so yeah, we got fresh comb, we got capped honey in the bottom, we got brood, we got.
That is.
No signs of drones.
Cement truck behind you. That is the.
Nice, that's a good sign. No,
that's that new Tom brought over for us.
Oh,
that's that queen. She's doing.
Which one? That one or?
No, this one.
Nice. So look at all this comb. Look at all that. That's great.
We've gone from 5 frames, 3 weeks ago?
Yeah.
To this.
Yeah.
She's a good queen.
Do you have do you have anywhere that you would put bees on your property, or are you going to be putting just bees here?
Oh, I'm not putting anywhere. I'm just coming to see.
Got a bee right there. It's going to get in your pocket. It's in your pocket. He's in your pocket. See him?
Yeah.
He's going to sting you on the stomach. There he is. He's climbing up your chest. He's looking to get in there. Look at that guy.
Beekeeping, Mike, if you don't get stung?
I think he's already stung. His guts came out. He was just walking wounded.
I was telling Bryce about my tactical thin pants I wore out here and took like 15 that one day. Finally went inside.
There's one day that we opened up a hive and Andy just reaches in without gloves on, and it's like a real active hive. Take another one out if you want.
Got a little.
Or, I mean, actually, we're good if you're fine. It's best not to mess with them if we can. But let's feed these guys then. I'll feed and you keep going. You like it, Bryce?
Pop it back on there, good.
Okay, there we go. That's good.
Curious to see how Holly's bees are doing.
We should go out there.
No, the hive we got back, they weren't doing very good that first week.
Hey Bryce, this quick actions with a break point, like a break that where you stop and snap it. That's what you're gonna have to do most of the time to get them, to get them out of the tube. Like flip it over and just kind of, harder.
Mike likes to kill my bees.
Like this, like you're pitching, you know, in a cub league ball. I got more over there on the other thing. Is there a cat? We will work it out.
Start buying it.
We will. That's a good problem. That'll be a good problem to have, Andy. That'll be a real good problem to have.
We're going through what? Probably 10 gallons a week.
If they plant 100 acres, we'll need 200 beehives to do their sunflowers. And she did say she's going to plant 100 acres next year.
Nicole said that?
Yes. I'm going to help her with her website too.
When you take them out there, do you just put them like on a trailer and take them, or you have to have it enclosed? Or?
You can do anything you want.
Just moving them. Don't really matter.
The only thing you don't want to do when you're moving bees is stop for gas. You need to probably have that worked out ahead of time. Because people with that'll cause a panic. Most people they don't understand bees, and they don't not been around them, and they don't know how dangerous they are, and they're not at the same time. You know, it's like good
Flower garden, vegetable garden, so we get a lot of like little bumblebee stuff. But.
Let's move on over to the next one. We're still going this way, right?
To the right.
Oh, okay. You guys have already okay.
Yeah, we already went that way.
Have you already done over there on the trees? Have you been on my side yet?
No.
Okay. I got this idea in my head of a rail system for frames. If I'm using these 3D printer motors to move stuff around, I believe that I can take motors and frames and rail systems and route frames back and forth for the queen automation at some point.
There's nothing in there anymore.
Oh.
Put it out here. We're gonna split my bee castle and they died. This is your.
Is this
swarm.
empty?
Yep, that's empty. This is your swarm.
Okay.
Out of your cousin.
It's all ours. There's no. I mean, that's what I feel. I mean, unless you're taking ownership of the bees.
It's all mine.
That's fine. You can have yours. I don't care.
Fuck out of here.
That's not very good.
Dude, I'm telling you.
Look at this. What is it? Look at this. There. This. We need to.
Why you got supers?
I don't like this. Where did this come from? Where did we find this?
It fell out of that frame when we were transplanting them from your nuke.
I wonder why they're all stuck here like this.
I don't know.
Probably. Oh, they got trapped in honey. They're all sticky.
So that what you just pulled was a super frame in a deep box. So we're gonna start growing out the bottom. You want to leave that in there, Mike? 'Cause there's so many resources on it.
What? Yeah. Whatever you think.
It's super.
I'm just gonna throw this in the grass. Go away from the hive a little bit.
When did we put these out here?
A couple days ago.
Tuesday night.
Look at them. They're hungry. Oh, gosh, come on, man. Take that up real quick. One flew in the hole immediately. They are so hungry. Watch this. This is gonna be cool.
They're feisty.
That's all she wrote. I got more sugar at the house. I can make more like right now if we want. You make another batch?
How much sugar you got?
Got like 50, 60 pounds.
I mean, you don't want my hose water.
I don't care.
I wouldn't put it in bees.
What?
My hose water, just straight rust.
No, I run mine from the hose in
Oh.
from the kitchen. I can go make some real quick.
You want to go make some?
They look at them, man. They're really active. They're different than the others because why? Why are they flying different than all the other hives?
Different region, different queen. Still not familiar.
Orientation flights think it would already happen the first day.
Yeah, orientation flight's over. Do we?
I feel like these guys are going to need more because they're starving. Let's put it. Let's mix some resources in this. Let's put a frame of honey.
Patty.
Yeah, I got some at the house. I can go get it.
What? We forgot to look at that.
I'll go.
Auction of queen cells.
As soon as we're done today, I'll make some more sugar water, and then we can come out as soon as it cools again. I can come out and do it, or we can all come out again.
Hella homework, so
I can take care of it. I mean, they've got some today. They're okay today. We can do it.
Standard deviation and Z-scores is about enough to make me kill myself.
Why are you still learning for? You should give it up because of AI.
No joke. And like we incorporated AI into our business model, so we have like a whole data analytics team.
Yeah, but your big organization is. Oh, look at that. They look good, man. They look real good. I see eggs. We got a queen. You see the flash, and everywhere.
Are these queen cells back here?
Let me see. Yeah, we got a cat. We got a capped queen, so we can't do anything about that. It's too late.
We had 4.
But oh yeah, is this one of the ones that was unhatched? It is. Yeah. Yeah, we left this alone because we transferred it from my cousin's house.
Okay.
I caught them on a porch, and what brought them back? When I brought them back, the queen got either killed or separated, and they had emergency queen cells, and so they were already thinking ahead.
A lot of time, well, not a lot of times. Some of the time when the queen goes out on her mating.
Were these queen cells?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
She gets eaten by like a bird or something.
Or a car, or you know, they could have a number of incidents that happen. That's a good pattern.
Will you do me a favor?
Yes, sir.
Will you pull that one just for proof of concept? Look how much they've drawn that out, and that's only been in there 3 days. Look at the other side.
We got an active nectar flow. Let's go check the.
We gotta invest in more wax foundations.
Well, we should have plenty of wax next year to do some of this stuff. But oh, I bumped up my AI budget too.
What we got? 50 a week?
200 a month. For the AI, I was at 100 a month, and I went to 200. So.
Check on that tall one right over here. Brought all these supers out, Mike, and nobody's ready for super yet.
I'm on walk. I'll walk. You guys can ride.
I mean, it's 2 feet.
Oh, we're still going down now. Okay.
Check that tall one.
Go. I keep forgetting all the hives you have over here. Not yet. I was thinking of putting all the beehives this year, putting them in my shed. What would you think about that?
Whatever.
I mean, that way would they be inside?
I mean, I was gonna put mine. Oh, like with bees in them?
Yeah.
Don't your dogs use that?
Yeah, they still might. I don't know. Go and open it. You can so here's the deal, Bryce. You can generally get away with opening the top cover without smoke and to get a read on your bees before you know what you're getting into. And if they're going to attack you right away, you'll know, or at least I always know.
There is a flow because this did not look like this last year.
That's awesome. Think when the sunflowers come in, man, we could get a lot of honey.
That'd be the soybeans.
I think we take 8. I think we take 8 hives over there. What do you think? 7? How many?
Yeah, I was gonna go look at a trailer.
Don't buy a trailer.
Well, I need one anyway for other shit.
My dad's gonna let us borrow his if he gets the lights fixed.
Right. He's been the poor guy in the family with the truck for the last 2 years.
Yeah.
And then my uncle, his father-in-law, finally bought one. And then I traded in my Jeep for one. And now we don't have a trailer.
I might be able to have something lined up for us, and if not, we'll figure it out. So we'll improvise. That's a super too, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hold on, I want to see this. Take one. No, come on. Perfect.
Queen cell. Queen cell in the back.
They're laying in this, but
Yeah.
they'll fix that. See the okay. See here. Grab this for a second, Andy.
Got it.
Hold on just 1 second. Now this guy. So where'd he go? So show me the drone. I just saw him. Now he's gone.
Do you run away?
He's somewhere.
I haven't seen too many drones today.
I saw one. I don't see him now. That's okay. Doesn't matter. Go. We're still not broken. We're gonna have some honey. Move that tool.
We put all this shit right on the box. Come on, guys. Oh shit, that was me. First time out, coach. Sorry.
Go ahead, Bryce. Take another one. Nope. Anywhere else but on the box. That really heats up right there, and so you don't want to kill your bees.
That's